Jamaica's team has settled in Oman ahead of the FIH Men's Hockey Fives World Cup, which gets underway on Sunday. Jamaica Hockey Federation President Fabian Stewart, who travelled ahead of the main delegation to sort out logistics, is pleased with the arrangements that have been put in place.
The team arrived in Oman, there was just a delay in terms of one of the pieces of equipment, but we've gotten it now. The logistics is good. The food is excellent in terms of the preparation for the athletes. So Team Jamaica is actually well settled in, and they've had an opportunity to go to the practice pitch and work out. So they are fully geared up and ready to go, just looking at the task ahead.
Jamaica will play in Pool B alongside Egypt, India and Switzerland. They open against Egypt at 1:30 Sunday morning Jamaica time before facing Switzerland 7 hours later, and India in the last group game at 11 p.m. Jamaica time also on Sunday. The top two teams from each group will advance to the quarterfinals.